A file system is a technology that manages how data is stored and retrieved from the partition. When formatting a USB flash drive in Windows 11, there are different file systems to choose from. The most common are Fat32, NTFS, and exFAT. In this video, we'll go over the differences between them and when to use them. Fat32 is an older file system that isn't as efficient as NTFS, but offers greater compatibility. Its biggest flaw is its size limit, as each file can only be up to 4 gigabytes. Its biggest advantage, however, is its compatibility with most products, as televisions, multimedia devices, and gaming consoles all use Fat32. It is also compatible with writing and reading. NTFS is a Microsoft format and the most modern file system. It works with all Windows versions and exceeds the size and capacity limits of the Fat32. It is also compatible with some multimedia devices and televisions. Check your product specifications to know if it is compatible with yours. exFAT is a modern replacement for Fat32. More devices and operating systems support exFAT than NTFS. However, it is not as widespread as Fat32. exFAT has large limits on files and partition sizes, and allows you to store files larger than 4 gigabytes. exFAT is ideal for flash drives, reading and writing, but isn't used on other devices. To format a USB flash drive in Windows 11, insert it into the USB port. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open File Explorer. In File Explorer, click on this PC on the left menu. Under the Devices and Drives section, right-click on the USB drive and select the Format option. Use the File System drop-down menu to select the one you want and click Start. Note that this process will erase anything that you have on your USB drive. You can cancel the process if you aren't sure what's on it. When finished, click OK and close the format window. For more helpful Dell support content, subscribe to our channel and check out the rest of our videos. You can also check out the Dell Community Forum to join a chat or start a new one.